Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox my April 2019 Boxycharm for you guys. I've already tried out some of these products, so I'll give you my first impression of them. So let's go ahead and get started. The first items are the 3-piece Luxie brush set. Can you guys see how cute these are? They're like ombre. The whole theme of this month is just adorable. It's like Coachella vibes. I just love it. These are like such high quality. I would put them up there with Sigma brushes. Like seriously, they're so soft and they're like, I don't know, the best. Especially if you're trying to like build your brush collection and you can't afford really nice brushes. I would definitely get yourself a Boxycharm because you get brushes a lot, and Luxie, seriously, like the quality is just amazing. As you can see, I've used all 3 of these. Anyways, this retails for $28. I think I already said that. The next item is the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream, and this retails for $26. I really like this, honestly. It made doing my eyebrows really fast and really easy. The only thing is it's color taupe and it came out like almost like a black, so I would really like to see like a lighter shade in this. Let me see if I can just hurry up. I'm trying to like make this video fast because I don't have much battery life on my phone left. So let me just like go ahead and apply this for you guys so you can see like how fast you can do your eyebrows, especially if like you need to go somewhere like and you're in a rush. This definitely makes doing your eyebrows makes it fast and easy. So yeah. And then it's not gonna look the best because I'm like I said, I'm trying to be fast, but I want to show you guys what it looks like. And like, yeah, it's like a really dark on me. I just wish it was another shade, and like I'm not using that much pressure, and I'm trying to use that much product. I'm doing this. This is probably gonna look so bad. I just want to give you guys an idea of what it looks like. Oh god, this looks so bad. Like I feel like I'm new at this. Why would I do this in the beginning of this video? Because now I feel like, oh my god, that's so bad. Okay, don't judge me. Anyways, you guys, you get the point. Oh my god, that looks so bad, so dark. Anyways, but yeah, I really like this product. I just wish it wasn't so dark. The next product we have is the Pure Cosmetics Festival palette, and I used 9 of these shades out of all the 12, and like I must say, like it's a really, really nice palette. The only downfall of this is I noticed that the shades were a little hard to blend out, so you just gotta blend and blend and blend, but like the pigment and stuff on this was like really, really nice. So yeah, I really like this palette, and I just like love the cover of this. It's so, so pretty. The next 2 items I'm going to be giving you away in my 700 subscriber giveaway, because these aren't like my cup of tea. They're not like something I would use. It's the Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss. This retails for, the Pure palette retails for $36. This retails for $21. Oh, and the eyebrow is $26. I don't know if I said that or not. $26. Like I said, this is $21, but yeah, it's holographic. It's a little too juvenile for me, so I will be putting this in my giveaway. And this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Purple Dream, I will also be putting in my giveaway for you guys. So lucky winner will get this and a bunch of other stuff that I've been putting aside for you guys. So yeah, it's just got it's like gold with like a purple sheen to it, and I don't know, I just like sticking to my gold highlighters just because I don't know, I don't like putting anything pink or pink on my cheeks, just because I have like red cheeks to begin with. Like I don't know what it is, I don't know if I have rosacea or whatever, but I try and like stay away from anything pink and stuff on my cheeks. So yeah, one of you lucky guys will get this, so stay tuned for that video, so don't forget to subscribe. Anyways, you guys, that was my April 2019 Boxycharm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!